everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing fine and you have must noticed the background is very different today with lots of trees. That's because I'm staying at my mother's house for a few days and I'm editing the video from here. So, she has the most beautiful backyard with lots of trees and birds and everything. So I'm sitting outside and editing the video. So please enjoy the natural background music, and without further ado, let's get started. In today's video, I will be reviewing Camel Artist's Watercolor Cakes. I was looking for some cheap watercolors that I can carry while I am traveling and use them in my daily painting practice. I have used them for more than a month now and I will share my feedback today. Let's first look at what we have received in the package. The price of this watercolors is 250 Indian rupees. I'm so sorry. Okay, the price of this watercolor is 250 Indian rupees. I saw these colors in another artist's video and I loved how the colors came out in his paintings. So I decided to give these colors a try. Okay, so the colors comes with this sturdy metal box that has total 18 shades in it. Let's open and see how do they look. Here is some white blank paper inside, maybe for the color swatching, I don't know. Another paper that has color names written on it with some code numbers. I hope these colors are pigmented and beautiful. And they also say that these colors are non-toxic, so you can give these colors to your child as well. I haven't researched if they are really non-toxic, but I'm believing on them. We can use the inside of the upper lid as mixing tray, which is amazing. Also, there is a small size brush inside which looks very nice and very soft. That is best for watercolors. Now let's swatch the colors and see how they look on paper. You're gonna hear lots of noises around me today because, as I told you, I'm sitting in the backyard and I don't know, for me, I really enjoy these natural voices and I hope so do you. I am swatching every color one by one. Swatching the colors before you use them for painting is very important. Colors behave differently on different paper. So you have to make sure before you paint to see how the colors will, turn out on your paper. As I'm swatching these colors, I want to talk about the painting membership that I just launched on my website. I am super excited about it. This monthly membership can add a lot of value if you enjoy painting. In this membership, you will receive a step-by-step painting tutorial each month. You will also get members-only blog and newsletter. You can visit my website to see more details about this membership. If you have any queries, please comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram, or you can mail me. I know there are a lot of people who don't want to commit to membership. So if you are one of them, you can purchase single glass that you can access for 30 days. Now I would shut up, and if you enjoy watching the color swatching, you can continue with the calming music in the background. Or you can skip to the part where I am painting some florals using these watercolors. painting some florals first, and then I will paint a landscape painting with some cloudy sky and some palm trees. As you can see, these colors are very pigmented and very beautiful. I really like them. I'm using scarlet and gamboge for the flowers and sapphire for the leaves. I'm using 300 GSM hot pressed watercolor paper here. So far, I am liking how these colors are turning out on the paper. After completing this floral piece, I would say these colors are highly pigmented and very easy to use directly from the pen. They are good with wet in wet method as well. In the landscape painting test, I will create some clouds using the color lifting method and also do wet on dry method. Stay tuned to see how the landscape will turn out. the granulation of the ultramarine. When I purchased these colors, I didn't expect them to turn out this good. I think these colors are my favorite student grade colors. I know they have written artist grade colors, but I don't think they are. These are perfect for beginners. These are perfect for your daily watercolor painting practice, and you should go for this. These are the cheapest but very good colors I have purchased so far. Okay, so now let's talk about the few things I found a little weird in these colors. As you can see, I have swatched down burnt umber from the Sennelier in the paper I'm holding, and these two looks very different. Also, I didn't understand the light red color really. So as we have come to the end of this video, in my opinion, if you're just beginner and starting out with the watercolors, and if you are an artist but you are scared to use your very expensive artist grade colors in your daily practice, I think that these colors are very good for your daily practices. These colors are very good if you're just starting out. So I think you should try these colors out. I think you should give this a try. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.